Information on the lemon sage plant. Lemon sage plants are flowering plants that are used for many practical purposes, such as accentuating food and helping cope with illness. This versatility makes lemon sage plants a popular resident in many gardens. Cooking. The unique flavor that can be derived from them makes lemon sage plants an ideal choice for cooking. Lemon sage can be used as a spice and often is used with chicken, pork and other meats to create an interesting taste. Remedy. When used as an herbal remedy, lemon sage can be consumed as tea or an infusion. Lemon sage can reduce the effects of colds and help lead to wellness. Components. The leaves of the lemon sage plant are the part used to cook with and to create herbal remedies. The lemon sage plant also features a long stem and produces flowers. Storage. Lemon sage is best stored frozen in an airtight bag, which gives it a shelf life of up to 3 years. Gardening. Lemon sage plants grow very quickly and very well. Be careful when planting them, as they may take up a lot of space and hinder the ability of other garden plants to grow healthily.